What if I told you I discovered a secret that will change your scales approach? Well, yeah, I discovered. Yeah, we all know it already. Scales are important for intonation, for tone improvement, for bow distribution, for sound, and you can name it. But what I am about to share you did not know until now. So make sure that you stick around until the end of this video. So the secret sauce for all of this is key signatures. That's it. But wait, Ilia, what do you mean key signatures? Oh, there's so much more than just key signatures. Right, key signatures, just to name a few. C major, E major, A flat major, E minor. But did you know that behind all these keys there's a whole different world? I always believed that we, as musicians, we are like painters. We hold a palette full of colors, and with these colors we create a masterwork. And each of these key signatures, they represent a certain characteristic or a certain color. So for instance, let's take C major. For me, C major, I think that sounds quite noble, grand, majestic. Let's take an example here in the scale. But let's take now a piece that is in C major. So see, it sounds, wow, majestic. Now let's use G major, which for me represents warmth, calmness, a sort of welcoming. That was the simple scale. Now, a masterwork created based on G major. You all know this piece, right? Okay, let's take another one, but this one a complete different key. Let's take C minor, for instance, which for me represents maybe solitude, maybe the key of death. Now I want to add one more into the list, D major. Leave a comment in the comment section below which characteristic or which feelings you can put into D major. If you are finding value until now into this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. So from all these examples that I just showed you, could you hear a difference between all these key signatures? The problem is, when we play scales in different key signatures, we don't really think about that. We don't feel it. That's why for most of us, scales are a boring thing, because we see it as a warm-up, we need to drill our intonation, listening to it, and it becomes technical. And when we change from key to key, we always play it the same way, so there is no difference between C major, G major, E major, and so on. So you see, it's a whole different world when you put it like this in your mindset. Now, it's time for homework. So pick a scale, pick any key that you wish, and find the colors in the key that you chose. I'm gonna repeat it one more time. Remember, you are a painter with the color palette in your hand and the brush in your right hand. Now it's up to you to create. Many among you are probably struggling with scales, or you don't have enough insights on how to do them exactly right. So for this, I created a few generous videos about scales, on how to play them, on what to focus on, and that will definitely give you a boost. I hope to see you there. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember, keep the cello fresh and alive.